Hello! In this video we would like to show how you can activate, manage and use the keyboard clipboard on this Google Pixel 6a smartphone. First of all, you want to launch the keyboard. In here, let's try to find the clipboard icon. As you can see, it is situated right here. And once at the clipboard section, turn on this toggle and as you can see, the clipboard will be successfully activated. Next, if you would like to remove some of the elements you have over here, tap on a pencil, select what elements you would like to get rid of, and then tap on a trash bin. Now, if you would like for something to be added to the clipboard, simply copy it. So I'll select the characters that I've just typed in, copy them, and once I get back to the clipboard, I'll see that this mess has been successfully added as the most recent element of my keyboard clipboard. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.